Hi guys, this is just going to be a very, very small haul. I didn't get a lot when I went out the other day, but I wanted to show you what I got anyway. The first thing I picked up was the Fruity and Cheeky Cherry Batiste. I've never smelt this one, and I don't know why, because so many people rave about this one. Let me just have a whiff now. Do you know what that smells like to me? That smells like, do you remember the, in fact you can still get them, do you remember the like little tubes of cherry drops? Oh, I love them sweets. That's quite what that smells like actually. Yeah, I don't mind smelling like a cherry drop. We'll go with that, I don't mind. Right, I went into Superdrug, was the main place I went. I can't remember the reason I went in there. I went in there for something. Oh, I know what I went in there for. I went in there looking for, the Bourjois have brought out a new range of stuff. I did actually haul their BB cream, their tinted bronzing BB cream, and I saw, oh god, I wish I could remember whose channel it was. If you're watching this, and it was you, could you please comment, because I can't find it, this thing I went looking for. It might have been Maria Sparkle. If it's Maria Sparkle, Maria, if it's you, can you contact me please? Because, oh, it's been driving me mad. I think it was the bronzer, big bronzer. They had a BB cream, they had a big bronzer, and they had a bronzing primer in a little pot. I went in looking for the primer and the bronzer powder. Couldn't find it anywhere, because I'd already got the BB cream. So that's the reason I went into Superdrug. But instead, I saw this one, which is by NYC, and it's called Big Bold. A bit like their Big Bold mascara. Bronzing powder, NYC, New York. And it looks like this. It's quite big, very similar sort of size to the, my favourite one, which is the anyway. Looks like this inside. It's just a lovely matte. I love the pattern on it. It's just a really nice matte sort of bronzer. I don't know if you can see that in this light. Let me just swatch it. I mean, this is a heavy swatch, but this is just a, I don't know if you can see it there. It's lovely, it's matte, it's not orangey. So I'm quite glad I picked that one up. I think it was only £3.99, which is ridiculous. So I picked that up. And because obviously Superdrug all makeup is 3 for 2 at the moment. So yay, got excited. So I got, what else did I get? Oh, can't find it now. Oh, do you know what? I had it in my hand like 2 seconds ago. I'll be back. Right, I'm back. So that was the bronzer, which I showed you there. Then I picked up their NYC High Definition Liquid Eyeliner. Now, I've had this before. I never really got on with it. I've really got to learn how to do it with a pen. I've only just sort of like managed to figure out how to do it with the actual gel, and that's only because the lovely Lisa from Spaces No. 1 Girl recommended the Barry M eyeliner brush, which is the reason I can do it sort of now. I've got it on today. Anybody that's in my 30 Faces of June Day 4, which is today, could see how sort of confident I was putting it on with that. But I really want to master this, and it's driving me mad, so I picked that up. Then I also picked up a mascara, which I haven't got on me. That was for my daughter. She had, what did she have? She had the Big Fake, I think I got that from Collection. That's the one she wanted to try, so I got that. But then I've had them before, you know what they look like. Then I went to the Beauty UK counter, and I got her, what else did I get her? This is mad. I got her one of these. I got a backup of this because I absolutely adore this foundation, especially in the summer because it's nice and matte. I got a backup of the Matte Effects foundation. I got mine in natural, as you can see there. I love this stuff. I think it's only 30ml, but it's really, really nice. Yeah, O2 Natural I got mine in, and I love this. It's it gives you an all-over matte colour. It's really good coverage. It doesn't sort of oxidate to a horrible colour, and it doesn't go patchy. I like it. On my skin it's fab, so I really, really like this. So yeah, I like that. Picked up one of those. That was my first, no, that wasn't the first 3 items. Then I saw the Beauty UK have got a new powder out. I didn't like their original face powder. It was pretty rubbish actually. So I've got 2 colours because it looks almost like it's going to be like a foundation-y type. It's got quite good coverage on it. This is what it looks like, and obviously it says new there. Compact face powder. And they come in the most sort of like random colour. It's like 1, 2 and 3, that's it. So I got 2. I also got 3, but I'm going to show you 2 first. So you get a nice big mirror, you see there. That's the actual face powder, and it comes with one of those like spongy things. But this is the face powder, and it's just really, really nice. It's not sort of what I call powdery, if you know what I mean. Well, of course it's powdery because it's powder, but it's not powdery, as in it doesn't sort of, that's the shade 2 there. Just rub that on there. Which is okay for my skin at the moment, and it does matte your skin down, and it's just a really nice powder. It's not too, it doesn't make your face look cakey. Well, I don't think it does anyway, not on me. Then I got shade number 3, which is obviously a little bit darker. You can see there. And this is going to be nice, sort of, there you go, that's it there, for when sort of I get a bit more colour. And that's that one there. You really can't see it that well because we like face powder. Oh, it is bronzer. Shade 1, shade 2, shade 3. So yeah, I picked those up because I wanted those. Then there was a blusher that I wanted in the Beauty UK baked. I already got 2, but I wanted the third. I think I've got 2. I think I've got blush and highlight, the ones that I've got already. But this one is the bronzer, and it really caught my eye. It comes in a little sort of box like this. It's just a snap lid. Nice big mirror in the top. There you go. On my neck pad, on my whatever it is thing, Galaxy tab. And this is the colour for the bronzer, and it's just really nice. Really nice. You can see that. Let me just swatch that. And this is just a really nice colour, but it's got loads of shimmer in it. Look at that. This would be a really nice eye colour as well, actually. So I picked that one up because they didn't have the blusher that I wanted, which was a really, really bright pink one. So I picked that up. That was £3.99. And then I decided to go for it and get some more colours in the Maybelline Colour 24-hour tattoo. Now, the one I specifically wanted is the metallic pomegranate, which I got. I didn't like the navy, because I don't think navy would suit me on the eyes, she says, wearing navy top. But yeah, I don't think it would suit my eyes, to be honest. But I picked up another On and On Bronze and another Permanent Taupe, because those two I just love. So I'll show you those two first. So this is the On and On Bronze, which is just a really nice metallic bronzy colour. Let's give it a little swatch. That's it there. Absolutely adore these things. I'm going to do, if you want to see how many of these, well, I'm going to do it anyway, what colours of these I've got on all the swatches. This is Permanent Taupe, and I love this colour. So many people rave about this colour, and I know why, because I just love it. And it's just a really nice sort of taupey colour. Not much else you can say, really. There you go. And that's more of a matte colour than a shimmer, to be honest. It doesn't actually say it's matte, but I think it is. You can see it's not shimmering at all. So yeah, I like that one. And then the one that I actually went in there for is the pomegranate one. And that's this one. Oh, it's just gorgeous. It's very much like the pink or the rose gold. Pink gold, I think it is. But this one's just so much more colour in it. And I absolutely love it. And that's a swatch of that one there. So yeah, I'm not sure when or how I'm going to be wearing that in combination with what eyeshadows. But those are what I got. And then, I can't remember if I hold these or not. But I'm literally just going to show you quickly anyway. I went to Poundland and picked up a couple of these. Because I love the Kleenex ones. They're really nice and soft. And they're just really, really nice. So I picked up 2 of them. Then I picked up this, which is the Naked Skin, and it's the Looking Good Soothing Eye Gel. And this is pretty much the one I'd use sort of in the morning. Comes in a tube like that, and it is a gel, to be honest. It's a lot more, it's not creamy, it's very cucumbery, and it's so soothing and cooling when you put it on. I would keep mine in the fridge. I haven't started using this yet, but I have used it once just to test it, but I would definitely keep this in the fridge, because it just gives you that added sort of, especially in the summer when it's really hot. So that was obviously £1. And then I picked up this one, which is the Derma. But this is the Derma Nature one, and this is the Q10 eye cream. And it's a massive eye cream. Absolutely massive. Look at the size of that. It would last you forever, wouldn't it? The size of my hand. The size of the eye cream. So yeah, this is a 25ml. And it's an anti-wrinkle formula. And it's got jojoba oil in it, vitamin E in it, Q10, whatever that is, in it. And this is a cream. And I've got this one to use at night. So that's the cream there. And it's just really soothing when it goes on the skin, and it's not cakey, it doesn't sit on the skin, and yeah, it's just really nice. So that was £1 as well, that was £1. So that's been my little haul. It was still 10 minutes long, which is disgusting. But yeah, so yeah, I hope you all enjoy my 30 days of 30 Faces of June. I'm really enjoying doing it. It's a challenge, it's good. I think I did this one today, and I think so far this is my favourite, sort of like Goldie Corals with the corally sort of lipstick. So yeah, hope you're enjoying it. Please comment below if there's anything else you want to see me do, or if you're enjoying it, give me a thumbs up if you really, really like it, because that helps and I love it and it makes me feel happy, knowing that all of you are liking what you're seeing. And yeah, just subscribe if you haven't, and join the YouTube ride along with me, because it's great fun. Okay, so I shall see you all in my next video, and hope you have a good day, guys. Thanks a lot, bye.